one of my childhood dreams coming true. Traveling through Sweden's county Värmland, the lake-rich haven of natural beauty, and enjoying the views from a bird's perspective. Until I crashed my drone. Good morning Sweden, good morning Dalarna. I don't want to jinx it, but we're having a run meanwhile with sunny days and beautiful weather. Look at this, I think it's gonna be another sunny day of riding. We enjoyed our journey through Dalarna and our stay at Lake Siljan that much that we decided to go for the same strategy for the next Swedish county we were about to visit. Like always, we wanted to find some small and fun roads to ride and enjoy the nature surrounding us. And like in Dalarna, we aimed to swim in at least one of the 10,000 lakes of the county Värmland. We left the area of Lake Siljan now to go on some small roads to the county Värmland, and that's a pretty funny traffic light in the middle of nowhere in front of me. Are you ready? We're about to turn off on a small road into the forest now. Visiting Värmland was always a childhood dream of mine. The world-famous author Selma Lagerlöf was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1909 and lived in Värmland. In her books, The Wonderful Adventures of Niels, a young boy is transformed to the size of a thumb and starts the adventurous journey on the back of a white goose that joins wild geese on their migration. Yes, I prefer the back of a motorcycle to the idea of traveling on the back of a small goose. But at least I could fly my drone to explore Värmland from above.
So I steered the drone really stupid and lost it somewhere in the forest, and we're trying to find it now. And hopefully we will. We have the GPS where the connection was lost, and hopefully we find it.
With the last GPS coordinates of the drone, we spotted a small road that was extremely close to where it crashed.
It landed or fell somewhere into the forest, and I have the last GPS where it was last seen, so we're gonna go there now and hope we find it. It should be somewhere here, but it's a little bit back, like, but only a little bit. I don't know, because then it lost connection, huh? So maybe it as well fell into a tree. Here. Oh, it's so covered trade, that's something good. Let's see. That looks okay.
Looks good.
The drone is recovered.
Oh my god, I am so happy and relieved that we found a drone. It's really a nerve-wracking life of a drone mother that I'm living here. After our adventurous drone excursion, we took it more slow and continued our ride to the heart of Värmland.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving.
Yippee! This is so much fun. I think it's one of the nicest roads we did in a while, with this perfect tarmac, and you see the soft curves here on my Navi and these rolling hills. Pretty perfect.
If I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
I'm very excited for tonight because we will stay at a very special place. But I'm not gonna tell you yet. First we have to find it.
Holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
The province Värmland is also famous for its unique manor houses. Hennekehammar's Herrgård is situated at the forest lake Hemtjärn and provides historic grandeur in the midst of Värmland's magnificent nature.
So it seems like we're getting into a swimming mood now, the more south that we're coming now again. We will go swim again today in this lake. It's so pretty here.
It's easy to see why Värmland is nicknamed the Lake District. The region is boasting some 10,000 lakes and Sweden's longest river, Klarälven, snaking through this idyllic province before it flows into one of Europe's biggest lakes, Vänern. The landscape of Värmland and its richness of water is ideal for outdoor activities like kayaking or fishing, or for swimming, because we just found one of the most beautiful lakes of the country.
That was actually not too cold. It was just perfect. So many swimming opportunities here in Sweden.
Thanks for joining the journey to Värmland. The next episode will take us to another beautiful lake and all the way to the city Gothenburg. Find out why I hate keyless rides. And as always, leave a big thumbs up and a comment if you liked the episode and hit the subscribe button to not miss out on my next adventures. See you next Thursday.